Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, flip. Welcome to another day. Today we look good. I believe today the lighting is good, and let's get it going, guys. I'm late again. I'm supposed to start at 7, but I'm late. So, we said yesterday I spoke about this gold trade. We're in profit right now, so I am gonna move my stop loss once we break and close above this current resistant area. If we close above, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Whew, yeah, just drank something. And also, I did speak of Nasdaq. Um, I did speak of Nasdaq. Where's Nasdaq? I'm all over the place. So I did speak of Nasdaq that I will take a trade on Nasdaq. I'll just show you why I took the trade. I think I spoke about it yesterday. Never mind those lines. These are for the day trading show. So I'm just gonna remove this and show you the swing position that I'm holding. And this swing position comes after the quarterly. I mean the this comes after the quarterly GDP that was announced today. I will go into it and explain my idea with it. So my entry point was there, stop loss below there. So I am looking for this move. So this is the trade that I'm holding, and I'm also holding a trade on gold. Also, gold broke above the structure. Also, gold broke above this current consolidation. So I will move my stop loss to there. Just quickly do that and update. So while I'm busy talking about this, let me just quickly do that, and I will update the Telegram group because we do have a Telegram group where we discuss the market and potential trades and what I'm looking for. So in this case, anyway, I move my stop loss just to break even. So stop loss is for the first trade and the second trade. Once we break above the all-time high and close above the all-time high, the stop loss will come to this low, and also for the first trade will come to that low. So this is a trade that has been good, I think, for me. Now we're just trading above the 3,000 mark. That was our first target. Remember, we had our first target, which was 3,000. Now, since we're trading above, and we look like we are still up to push to the upside. And then also I spoke about silver. But anyway, let's get into what caused these big moves today. As I said earlier, today um, there was USD GDP, quarterly GDP that was announced today, and it beat expectation, which is an indication that there is uh, there is growth. There is the market is starting to have growth in the US. The US economy we're starting to see good growth. And then we saw the first month and the second month. We saw by the increase in inflation. We also saw by the jobs data, and there was indication that the economy is doing well in the US. But anyway, let's go into it. The final GDP, it was expected, the forecast was 2.3. It came out at 2.4, which beat expectations. And there was also unemployment claims, which they expected 2 to 5, but 2 to 4 came in. But the major one was the quarterly GDP, which beat expectations by a 0.1%, which is major in this case because if you were to take the quarterly GDP, that there is growth in the quarterly GDP, you were to take inflation, it has dropped below 3%, now we're at 2%. And also, come on, you also take retail sales, which are starting to increase after a drop in the other month. So there is clear indication of growth. The previous month, I'm not going to show it here now, but CPI is at 2.8. Retail sales is at last month it read 0.2. Unemployment claims 4.1. and NFP numbers came out 151. We're expecting the new one next month, but that was a sign that there is good. The economy is doing quite well. It's not in dicey, but it's extremely doing well for me, and that says Nasdaq is time to push to the upside. This is telling me that Nasdaq might start to push to the upside, given that the quarterly shows an indication of the GDP growth by 2.4%, beating expectation by 0.1%. CPI is low, and Paul spoke about expectation of about, is it two interest rate cuts this year? So two interest rate cuts, possible two interest rate cuts for this year. For now, the one that thinks that might delay us is tariffs. So if tariffs get to slow down, then definitely we will look into go to the upside. So GBP still does not really reacted in an area that I wanted. I don't know why, but does not reacted. However, if it breaks above this high and close above, I might look to enter and my stop loss will be below there and look to go long. I think that's an idea that I have for it now because it seems what doesn't want to go back to where I wanted to take the trade. So I'm gonna change my plan. USD CHF as well. Consolidating. I'm not looking into taking this. I do not like the price action. Also AUD CAD on the fundamental spreadsheet that I always speak about. We have already reacted there. This is what I wanted to see. So my plan now on the 4-hour time frame is to see a break below there. Hold that and continue lower. So AUD CAD, that's what I'm looking for. And then USD CHF, I was looking for shorts, but it's consolidating. So I do not like the price action also there. So I'm just gonna let it out and sit outside for now. So for now, I'm interested in gold, silver, German 30. I have a trade on German 30. I think I spoke about this yesterday. So if you wanna really understand why I took the trade, just go on yesterday's video or live and go through it. You'll understand why I took the trade, even though it's not looking good. It's in deep drawdown. But anyway, we're gonna hold it. We'll see. But let's look at the dollar index post GDP day, quarterly GDP data, and see where we're going. No good momentum. Still hanging in there, holding the daily fair value gap, and the value fair value gap is a strong resistance area because it has a breaker, so it's holding that. So this will determine the next direction for gold. If gold is still gonna continue pushing higher, GDP growth looks good. CPI is low. We are likely to get a lower reading again. I mean, we are likely to get the dollar losing strength for the next month or two. But now, with the growth in the with an indication of growth, I think our next move for this dollar will be determined by CPI and NFP next week. So NFP might give us the proper direction where we're going. If NFP numbers comes out very well, I don't see a reason for us not to push to the upside. But anyway, this is the first segment of the show. I think I did speak about every trade that I have. Oh, flip. Sorry. GBP NZD. Spoke about this trade also yesterday that I'm looking for this trade. Another update on it. We retraced. We went into this trade. This was a beautiful entry. If all the entries will be like this, I think everyone will enjoy trading. But not every entry is like this. Certain entries are not as clean. So if we break above this high, if we break above this high, if we break, come on. If you break above this high and close above this high there and retest it, I'm gonna move my stop loss just there. And then we look still to continue to push to the upside. Because I still believe the British pound is still strong. The economy is doing well. Even though CPI was at 2.8, which is good, it's slowing down for a good move of it. And then the last one that I'll speak about, it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin still exactly, oh, come on. Bitcoin exactly at my entry point. I am gonna look and I'll be watching Bitcoin closely. Remember, sorry, look at what I did. Remember what I spoke about? I spoke about that CPI and the numbers, the way they are looking like, we are moving into risk on asset. So risk on asset, it's that's where we're going. Then I'm willing to take a risk and buy things that are interested to me, more especially stocks. I'm looking into buying more stocks for me. So just quickly do this. Who is this? Okay. Sorry, I'm just gonna do something. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, thank you so much, guys, for joining the first segment of the show. We are moving into the second segment of the show, the day trading show. We will be looking at Nasdaq, US30, and S&P 500, as always. So I am gonna remove these guys here, and we do our analysis for the day trading show. But anyway, guys, before I continue, just wanna quickly see something. Okay, anyway, just wanna quickly see something. Just wanna quickly add something here. But anyway, guys, so before I continue, but what I wanted to add anyway, we'll add as we go along. For today, are you bullish or bearish? Because already we have reacted at this 50% of the opening gap for last week. Hence, I'm asking for today, are you bullish or bearish? It will be interesting to know. It will be interesting to know about your bias for not just for today, but for the PM session. Are you bullish or bearish? So this is yesterday's low. Um, maybe low. This is yesterday's low. So this is yesterday's low. Uh, Daily high for yesterday. We should do this before I forget. I have a tendency of forgetting, so pardon me, guys. Okay, let's see the 4 hours where we going. The 4 hour time frame is interesting because already it's indecisive. So we have an indecisive 4 hour candle there. I do not like it. Hold on for me. Okay. See. Yeah, this 4 hour candle is a problem. It's indecisive. We have a high and the low. Let me just quickly mark this candle. I think this candle will determine my direction for today. I might look to target one either bullish or bearish depending. Hence, I'm asking, are you guys bullish or bearish for tonight? Oh God. And and guys, just know that when I say tonight, uh, I'm referring to South Africans because it's a night, but anyway, in the world for the PM session. I was gonna say this evening. Uh, what is no, okay. Let me see. Also here we have okay. I might be bearish here. I might look into entering shorts. I want to try something, but I will try it once I'm done here. Once I'm waiting for something. I want to change the lighting here to another color. We've already look at this. What do you call this? What's called this? US30 has just reacted at the 4-hour very very gap and is pushing to the upside. Okay, I feel terrible. Yep, very indecisive candles there. Very indecisive of direction. Let's see the 15 minutes time frame and the session's movement. Oh, come on. See. And was the AM was the AM session bullish or bearish? Let's go comparison. When is this? Because we held this 15 minutes for value gap, yeah. Um, we held that 15 minutes fair value gap. It's holding very good. Uh, so we could be coming for the AM lows. And also we are holding daily low. Okay, I am bearish. We are holding daily low. True daily open, we held it. I'm gonna target this low here. Let me see if there is any SMT for me. And also still same thing, yeah. On S&P 500, we are holding that. We are also holding that also. So I am gonna target the AM lows. I am gonna target the AM lows. I think my next direction is the AM low. Okay, come on. 5 minutes. I love how 5 minutes is holding. It's holding this low. Perhaps if we came in during the AM, oh, it's just open now. We are holding that. So if we break below this low, I am gonna look to enter shorts. Yeah. If we take out this low, I am gonna look to enter shorts. I am bearish for today. I am bearish. I am bearish. I think I am. Yeah, I am bearish. So if we trade below there, this will be my plan. I'm gonna go short. Definitely stop loss maybe will be there. So if we break, enter, let me just show you. So let's say you enter somewhere there, stop loss there. It's not a really 1:2, but it's not bad. Or still push it lower. So it will be something like this what I'll be looking for. But let me watch and wait. Okay. So guys, just tell me, are you just type in the comment section, are you looking for, do you have any stocks? Whether in the New York Stock Exchange or in the JSE that you are watching on your watch list. Let's talk about it. All right. So guys, tell me which lighting is good, the white or the yellow light? So if, oh, man, let me check it myself. Which one is good? Sorry guys, so I've just been trying to set up a proper lighting. I love the current move. If we see another break to the lower side and it leaves maybe a fair value gap here, that will set up my entry. That will look good for my entry here. Oh shucks, I need to go. Yeah, I think this setup will look good. Yep, yep. I'm gonna look for this setup. It will look good. I am gonna look to go short here, and it's exactly how I spoke about it. The one is to two. If this closes like this, my worry now will be too aggressive because we have not broken this lows here. So the best way is for this candle to close below there, below this current lows, and then when we retest, it will look good set for me to go low. But where it is now, I don't like it. I do like it, but I don't like it because this is something that I'm matching for. But let's watch and see. Let me see the 1 minute. Maybe 1 minute is giving a proper structure. Yeah, no. So the 1 minute, it's holding this. The first 1 minute fair value gap here. And this low is not taken. This will be too aggressive. I don't like this aggression. No, I am not gonna take this here. It's too aggressive. So 1:2 that I planned at first, I think still stands for me. But only if it leaves this fair value gap. I know it's gonna close inside. I'm not interested. So if it's gonna close inside, I'm not gonna be interested. I don't like it. Da, 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 da. So this is an interesting thing because come on, it's very common for for the trade just to play around, and then after it breaks out to the upside while you have entered the trade. So it's better for me to wait and see the reaction here before I take a trade, just to see the reaction here, because this area it's holding very strong. So it's very important. So yes, there is a fair value gap that has formed, and it's holding quite well. Will I enter this? No. Wait, let me see. Should I? Let's see. Stop loss above. Is there an SMT with Nasdaq with S&P 500? There's no SMT. Oh God, no. No, I'm not gonna take it. I am just gonna be watching very closely. To this, I will use this to determine my next direction. It would be a beautiful trade if you have entered there, but it doesn't meet how I trade, so I am not gonna be part of it. Um, it's a good trade. If it breaks below, I will look for a trade myself. But nah, I don't like it. So if we see an acceleration break below this low, as I explained, I could look to retest stop loss above this 3 minutes fair value gap. So this will be a beautiful trade, but no, not for me. But anyway, also do not hesitate, guys, to jump on our Telegram for this. But Telegram is purely swing trading. It's purely swing trading. We speak about swing trading. I look dark. I don't know if it's me. Am I dark? Let me just quickly check on the phone if I'm dark. I look dark. And I thought the lighting was good. I think I'm going to increase the lighting. Okay, there is a good reaction here. I love the reaction from the space there. This is not helping at all. Yep, I'm dark. I think I should just increase the lighting. I am extremely dark. Um, how do I set up this in a way that I'll look quite clean? Am I lagging? I think so. If you have entered the trade, you will be in profit, but I'll be back now. Hold on, just increase the lighting. Guys, I think you'll be with me on this journey where I find my footing as I trade, and I think it will be beautiful for you to just see me how I get myself together because wow, it's very tough. I will not wanna lie. It's very tough to get yourself together and do it right. So I am taking you on the journey with while I'm trading. You see what I was avoiding? So if you get this invasion, chances that it will come back to the upside. So that's why I didn't want to take this trade. That's why I'm saying I am not gonna grab this trade. I want to see a break below. Oh God. So that's why I was playing very careful with it. Let me just increase the lighting. The lighting is not bad though. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I think now we are good, guys. If we're not, you'll forgive me. Okay, I think now we are good. Anyway, guys, just Leave your comment down there, guys. Let me know what you think. Speaking of which, um, one thing which today made me happy was because guys, I love football. So I I just heard today that what do you call this national team? It won't be following up on the trade. It won't be following up on the complaint. It said it was supposed to be lodging against FIFA. So it's not gonna be following up. So that's what me keeps me happy right now. That Bafana Fana might not be taking any points. You see what I was avoiding? This is because it was a strong rejection there. S&P 500, same thing, seem to be changing direction. US30. So for US30, I think I'll be watching this high. I will be watching this high. If we break above this high, we could be set for this high and this high. Let's see the PM session. Yeah, that will be the AM high. So let's see. And there's no clear SMT that has been formed already. So um, it is another thing that we don't have any clear SMT. We are just ranging. Hence, I said it was better for me to see the reaction here. So it was going to be good if we broke below and hold that and push to the upside, but it didn't do that. So I only want to aggressively take trade against my plan because this it's a very important law. Right now, if we break below that, I don't think there's anything stopping us from reaching here. I don't think there's anything stopping us from reaching the 4 hour low. And it's still today's low, so I don't think there's anything stopping us. Yeah, there's nothing. But the market could be starting to set up for to being bullish again. So you have to play it very careful. Remember, there's a 5 minute favorite gap that is holding. We are holding this breakout here. So after the breakout, we're looking to coming here. So for me, I'm waiting for this 15 minutes breakout. Hence, I always say whether you're trading ICT and ICT smart money concept pre or price action, we're trading the same thing. Because if right now we were to get a candle close like that on the 5 minutes time frame, find that on the 3 or 2 minutes time frame, you have a market structure shift with a fair value gap that you could enter from and a breaker. So, ooh, look at that. There is an inversion here. But does the inversion have? I love how the market is moving now. There is this 3 minutes inversion, yeah? Let's just quickly mark it properly. So there is a 3 minutes inversion fair value gap. Um, this is something that I could be interested in. Uh, I'm just thinking, oh, SMT, okay, I might take long. I just saw this now. Oh, look at that. We have SMT here. Come on. We have SMT between Nasdaq and S&P 500. Come on. What happened to my accuracy? The is SMT. Break above. I hope I will get a retest. Will I have seen this early though? But it also setting up for It's also setting up for an invasion retested. It's also setting up for a scalp. No, 3 minutes was nothing for 3 minutes for a minute. So 3 minutes, it's setting up very well. I would have loved for a rejection. So still holding. So we weak yesterday's low. I just want to see it holding again, and push to the upside. So my plan right now is just to trade something like this. Target coming for this high. That would be pushing it. Let me see. No, I wouldn't be pushing it. I think that's where a clear target is. Ah, come on. So I hope it's gonna retest. It's gonna come back for a retest. If it breaks above and continue to the upside, there's no retest. So I didn't get a trade again. Yeah. I'm just gonna watch if it's gonna come back for a retest. Nope, it's not coming back. Let me see the 1 minute time frame. What is it giving us? Nah, 1 minute is not 1 minute is not giving us anything clean. Though 1 minute there was an invasion, yeah. Exactly an invasion, it gave us a retest. If you're a scalper and a good one for that matter, you could have scalped this move. You could have scalped this move, but it's not my game plan. Yeah, let's see. I just want to see if we're gonna get a good retest. If we get a good retest, I am gonna go in. So my problem will be if it continue pushing back to the upside without us, and it's doing exactly that. So trading the PM session, I hate when the market does this. It does not retest. It just continues and we not get a trade. So we have not broken above there. Let's see if we're gonna get a retest. The next 3 minutes candle closed just 1 minute before the 5 minutes closure. I personally do not like taking trade on a 5 minute time frame. So if that closes, it leaves a fair value gap, a point of reaction again. So I love this. If that closes like this, the next 5 minutes is likely come back for a retest here, and then we can still push to the upside. So I generally still like it, only if it will give me what I'm looking for. I'm trading inside a range. I'm just gonna enter inside the trend and hopeful for a break and hope for a breakout. It does meet. There is an SMT between. Oh, come on. There is an SMT between Nasdaq and US30. There is this SMT. If we look up here, another fair value gap there. Hmm. I'm just thinking, is it better to use this fair value gap or that to enter? Because if I use this, possibility of being entered, but then the risk to reward is a bit minimal. Yeah. 1:2, I still do get a 1:2. Um, yeah, but I'm more leaning into Nasdaq. This could give us a trade. So I will be watching both of them. I'm more leaning into Nasdaq. Just make this dark so we see what you're doing. Okay, I have to put in my limit now. Let me add my limit. Come on, don't reject the end. We'll go to the low, just go down. You'll be full of disrespect. Don't give me hopes that I'll get my trade and you reverse. I'll hate you forever. I will. Oh, okay. I will hate you forever. And it's doing exactly what I'm talking about. Just want to add my limits. So pardon me, guys. Uh, I what am I doing? Okay, it's coming lower. Come on, dude. You can do this. Okay. Just quickly add what I want. Here we go. Okay, I've got what I wanted. Just quickly add my limits. It looks like it's gonna go without us, to be honest. Just to be honest, it looks like it's gonna go without us. Yeah, there we go. It's gone. If it closes like this, I don't think it's coming back because we have a 5 minutes inversion. Perhaps unless we get a trade on a 1 minute time frame. Yeah, unless we'll get a trade, yeah. Unless we will get a trade, it keeps being bullish. Oh, this was not a trade for me. Look at that, what I'm marking now. Just gonna be brief. We have a 1 minute fair value gap with a breaker there. Out away from my plan. It wouldn't even come close to how I trade. So hence I wouldn't want to take that. I wouldn't even dare want to take that. Uh, nah, this thing is not setting up for me. If that continued to leave this fair value gap, if it will have left a fair value gap above there, I would have looked to enter this high, just a plus below there. But it's not setting up for that. Not at all. It's not setting up for that. Understand? Though now it would look like it's a breakout in the retest, but I don't like it. Yeah, it's gone. It looks like it is going. Is there a fair value gap? Yeah. Yes, there is a fair value gap and a week. This is where my problem is. Okay. I will take risk here. Not so much risk, but I'll take a bit of risk here. At this time. Who did that? I will take a bit of risk if it comes back here. Stop loss just below there. I am still targeting the same area. Let's have my limits on. Just gonna put in my limits. Looks like we're getting set for it. Hey, there is a possibility that I'm gonna be entered on my broker, but not here, or be entered here or not my broker. I will hate it. Okay, I am gonna. Come on, let me wait. I wanted to execute manually, but I don't like it yet. Let me wait. Let me wait. Okay, I think I'm in. Yep, I'm in. If this fails, I am gonna try this 3 minutes for value gap, like I said before. I've taken half on this high, looking for a possible hold to that and push to the upside. But if that fails, I am gonna try take my stop loss should be at that low. Yeah. And if this fails, I'm gonna look to enter at the first plane that we had on the 3 minutes for value gap that we had at first. Very deep drop down. Yep. Uh, yep. A very in deep drawdown right now. Okay. Does not look good, but it could flip. And if we flip above this high, then we are set to go. We are set to go. But for now, it's too early to say. Because right now we are watching that high. That's a major high that I'm watching. There's two highs, but the other high that I just drew now, there's a major high that I'm watching closely. That I believe if we're to hold that, we're gonna hold this, and then we are good to go. If that happens, but if that didn't happen, I have no hope. Yeah, entered aggressively, and let's just wait and see. Uh, yeah, that was aggressive. Yeah, that was aggressive. Is a 3 minutes fair value gap just below where I've entered. So this was very aggressive. So we could have caught a following knife here, but I stayed with my plan and I look at how it was looking. So I took the trade. So let's wait and see. Interesting. Who's texting me? Anyway, just got a text. I don't know who texted. Okay, I love the move now, but I would love it to break above the first high that it created. If it breaks above that, I'll look to a bit, it will be a bit confident in saying I'm gonna hold through it. But if it doesn't, there's no hope for me. Sorry. Ah, oh, sorry. Someone has sent me something. What is it? Come on. You can do this. Oh God. I'll have to go. Just got irritated now. Just tiny profit. Uh, I would love to see it break even, honestly. Come on. Okay, love. Come on, buddy. You can do that. You can do this. Good move. You want to see more move like this? But I really want to see more acceleration. So, pardon me, guys, I'm a bit irritated here. My sinus. Am Oh, come on. Flip. This was embarrassing. Oh, no. Yeah, that was embarrassing. Ooh, look at this. Look at this fall. Am I out? Yep, I'm out. Okay, I'm gonna look to entering at the low now. I've taken my first L here. I am gonna use the 3 minutes now. Reaction at that fair value gap. Uh, just gonna, I am gonna look for this trade here, and I might not get it, but this is my plan now. So I've taken the L here and just push to the lower side. So I'm hoping to re-enter again, and I might not get the position again. That's the messed up thing about this. It best not to push to the upside. Oh, sorry. Come on, you can enter ministry. It seems like we're not gonna get entered. It seems like we're not gonna get entered. Yeah. Oh, my sinuses are really inflamed now, guys. I have sinusitis, so once I get irritated, it's done. This is the worst feeling ever. Trust me, this will be the worst feeling ever. This will be the worst feeling ever. If you don't get entered here by 9, I'll be done with it. But what I'm saying, this will be the worst feeling ever. Oh God. Okay, while waiting for the trade, let me just quickly sort myself out. Was I all along of I, just checking something? Was I all along? Okay. It looks like we're coming in. I'm gonna set in my limits now. Right. Then guys, I'm gonna call it a night because yeah, I'm a bit irritated, extremely bad. Yeah, it's not gonna end. So I have to call it a night, guys, because I'll start being irritated too much and gotta treat this. So I think I'll be looking for this trade. I'm just gonna be adding the limit here. Oh God, really now? Let me say something. We acted exactly at the 50% of this move. Interesting. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna be back now. miss. I hope I'm entered on my broker. Sorry, I got a bit sick. Yeah, I'm a bit sick. Please tell me I'm entered. So I want to show you how it missed me. Look at this. I'm not entered. What the hell? If I was here, I was gonna enter manually. Yo, wow. And I really wish to show you this. Let me see. I really wish to show you this, guys. It got me. It missed me, and I you. Yeah, ne? Okay. I think I'm gonna call it a day. The way I'm so sick and frustrated right now, but I'm gonna show you this, guys. What we kind of wish carried this. Ah, guys. Okay. Others could be tagged in this trade. I got missed by a spread. So I'm just trying to show you. Oh God, I hate this. On the other side, I'm not feeling well. Okay, anyway. I just want to show you this, then I call it a day because I'm not feeling well, guys. Okay, yeah, I don't know if you can see. That's how it missed me. The first one on top, it took a stop loss, and the second one, that's the miss. I don't know if it's a bit clear, but okay, now I think it will be better. Oh, let me do this. Oh, flip, I didn't open MetaTrader. Help me open MetaTrader, yeah. Guys, I'm sick. If you can look at my eyes, yeah, I'm gonna call it a night, guys. And then open. Oh, I should MetaTrader doesn't want to open. I'm having a bad day. I'm going to sleep. I, not sleep per se, but my eyes are red. So if you're in this trade by anywhere, this will be your break-even point. Yeah, this will be the worst trade, ne? This is the worst trade that I've ever taken lately. I will show you why I'm saying so. Here we go. This is the worst trade that I've ever taken lately. Yeah, I hate this. You, I know. I know. I, I, I'm just gonna add MetaTrader here just to show you that sometimes we get this misses and you feel like, but I should have been entered in T. And this is one of those where you be like, but I should have been entered. Where is Xmas? Here we go. And don't want to show everything. Yeah. Okay. I hope I'll show you everything I want to show you. I hope you can see this, guys. So, okay. Didn't even add my TP yet, but it looks like this. This is how I missed the trade. Just move to 5 minutes time frame so that you can see clearly. So this is how it missed me. Here we go. So this is how the trade missed me. How do you feel when a trade missed you like this? Yeah, this is one of those days, eh? And one will think I'm in this trade, and I'm not. The spread killed me, and it's at break even. Now I will be moving my stop loss to break even because my target will be at that. Ooh, but this is witchcraft, guys. I've taken a loss by this week, yeah, and pushed to the upside. Wow. Yeah. One of those days. Definitely one of those days where you'd be like, but why? Okay. If you have taken the trade, you will be at break even. So I'll I'll wait for this 3 minutes to close. Once it closes, I'll move to break even. But I'm super frustrated. I did show you that on the previous video why I'm super frustrated. Here is why. Um, Taking a trade, stop loss was just below here. It took me out, came back here, missed by a few pips, pushed to the upside without me. So, but anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Hold on to this trade. Not feeling well today. My eyes are red. I just got irritated. So I have my sinusitis is a bit irritated, and then I have flames. I have sinusitis now. So yeah. See you guys. Truly love you all. Close above. If I were you, I'll move to stop my stop loss to break even if you're in this trade. But unfortunately, some of us, the market didn't like us today. We have taken an L. And as I was looking for another trade, now be break even for the second trade. However, as I explained, um, yeah, it missed me by a few pips. If you were to look at, I'm not good at this area here, that area there, that's where I bought here. This is the area that I wanted to buy. It just missed me by 2 pips. Very frustrating, but we move on, guys. Part of trading. So with that being said, thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Come join me tomorrow again because I'm nothing without you guys. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and join our Telegram.